my name is Shyam, and in this video, we will just learn about the basics of Linux commands. In this video, we will just learn about only six commands and let's see what they all do. Before getting into what these commands are all about, and we will just discuss about the list of commands we are going to discuss about is first is ls. We will look into ls, pwd, touch, rm, and mkdir, and also cd. Before we get into this hands-on, first we will understand what these commands actually do. First is ls. It tells you about the list of files and folders that are there in the current directory. Next is pwd, which is the short form for present working directory, which if you use this command, it will tell you what is the current location you are in the terminal. And next is touch. This command will actually help you to create one new empty file. And then you have rm. Rm is something, but if you want to delete a file or something, you can use this command and it will do it for you. And mkdir is a command that will help you to create one folder, empty folder. And then cd is nothing but it's a full form for change directory, which will help you to get inside and outside of the folder. And before getting into this hands-on session in this currently right now in the Windows operating system, and I'll be using Git terminal. If you don't know what this Git terminal is all about, you have to go to this Google search and type this Git download, and you will get this first link, which is the downloads site. If you click on it, and you'll get the option for your downloads of this Git. If you download this, and you'll get the setup page where you don't have to do much about much setup about this. You just have to click on next, and you're good to go. And after setting up and completing the installation, what you have to do is you are in this desktop, right? You have to right click, and after installation you'll get this option called as open git bash here. That's what we want over here. Now I'll click on this open git bash here. This is what you get. This is the terminal you will get over here, and on along with this terminal I will open this file explorer, which is showing this location over here. In the terminal you see this location, right? It's showing that's currently in the desktop. That's what I am, in the same location in the file explorer itself. Now the first command is let me maximize this terminal, just it's visible for you. Let me even minimize a bit. Now what you do is type ls. Ls is nothing but that will tell you what all files and folders are there. There is nothing over here. That's what you see over here. Now if you type pwd, it will show you which is the location you're in. You're in C users, HP, and desktop. That's what you're in right now. Now let's say I will create one new empty file called as touch, and you can name any file for that. I'll just say touch1.txt. And you can see simultaneously in the file explorer also the file name is created and updated. It's just empty file, and if you click on it, it's nothing inside there. That's what it is, empty file. And now if you type ls, it will show there is currently only one file called as 1.txt, which is just now we have created that. Now the next command is let's say this is 1.txt, right? Let's say we will put something inside this file, and let's put some content on it. What you have to do is you have to just type v1.txt. This vi is nothing but it will open a file editor for you. It's like a notepad where you can just open the notepad like editor inside the terminal itself, and once you open, you can just put anything that you want to store in this 1.txt file. Now if you click on enter, this is the interface that you will get. Let us wait. This is the terminal that you get, I mean the interface that you get to edit this file. Now what you do is before you just edit, you have to press I. Now you'll get this option called as insert. Now you can put anything inside this. Let's say this is a sample file. This is the content that I want to store in this file right now. What I'll do is I just finished putting inside this. And what I'll do is I will exit this file by saving it. What I have to do is press escape and click on colon X and then enter. Now if you click on this one.txt, you can see the content that you edit, given input over here, that is there inside this. That's the thing. Now let's say I don't want this file. I want to delete this one.txt file. What I have to do is one.txt. Now you see that file is gone. That is rm command. Now let's say I want to create one. Let's say next command we will look into this mkdir, which is creating one folder. Let's say I will call it as folder name, mkdir folder name, and you can see folder name is created. Now let's say I want to get inside this folder. What I'll do is I will type cd. Cd is nothing but change directory. What to do is I will put this command over here, cd folder, and you can see over here the location that it's updated, saying that you're inside desktop. Inside desktop there is a folder name. Now you're inside that folder name. Let's put pwd. As you can see, you are inside this folder name folder. Now what you do is I want to get outside of that folder. I want to get into the desktop folder itself. What you do is cd space dot dot. That's the command that you want to use to get out of that folder location. Click enter, and if you type pwd, now you're outside of that folder. And that's about this basic commands. One is, which is a command that we discussed. One is we discussed ls, pwd, touch, rm, mkdir, and cd. That's about it in this video. Hope you learned some basics of these commands and hope you understood about this. And let's meet in the next video. Until that, keep learning. Thank you.